wanted. Look at this, 3 of this. It's not gonna fit in any car. Okay. So good morning. How I can start? Today I'm going to Costco to. It's coming a new product which I already sold. I speak to the manager there, and they say they resupply today, which is the 1st of July. So I'm going to buy all the stock if is there, and I keep you update. Basically, this is retail arbitrage, and I buy products from Costco and I resell it on the Amazon platform. So let's jump in, and I'll keep you update on Costco, and I will see how it's doing. If there is the product, if they didn't bring it, it's I'm looking for something else if I can find it. So look at my dog. What you doing there, Bobby? What you doing there? Huh? What you doing there? Huh? What you doing here? Huh? What you doing here? Look at the dog. Look what it is. Yeah. So see you soon inside the Costco. Yeah, before I arrive to Costco, I have to stop to take my favorite coffee. It costs it's kind of expensive. Yeah, it's first in a month, so it can go. It's okay. One a month, it's okay. It's not gonna go bankrupt for one coffee a month. Finally, arriving here at Costco, it's always a hassle, especially in the parking. People, they don't know what they I can't believe it. So now I'm going inside to see if the product is coming, and stay tuned for that. I'll show you the product, which is it. So maybe you can make money off of this. So stay tuned. So I find the product. This is it. It's called, what is called? Cooking Pit Fewer de Cuisine. I don't know what is this the name, but here you go. This is the product. The price is 131 including VAT, 132 pounds including VAT. So yeah. So now I'm going to buy all this. It's 8 units here. Yeah, 8 units. Probably I'll buy like 6 or 7. I don't know. Yeah. So I have to do travel 2 times together because in my car only fit 3. And yeah, you can find this product on your local Costco. You can make a lot of money. I'll show you for how much is going on Amazon. And like I sell it for 380. This one. The shipping is 50 pounds on this with UPS. And yeah, pretty much you can make 100 pounds each. 100 pounds easily on this. Probably I'll have to buy it all. Okay, check this out. I'm going into the Amazon app. I'll go to scan it. Okay, this is the product. So how you can see the sales rank 23,000 is very good. Look at the profit margin. So 93 pounds profit margin. Okay, so shipping 50, on total 324 it's selling, 324 on Amazon. So cost of the product it's 132, shipping it's around 50. Anyway, you'll have 93 pounds profit. So it's very good product. So, and they will sell very soon because on this sales rank it's very good. They'll sell quickly, and they have 5-star product. And actually there is another list with I sell it on 2 lists, and the other one yeah, I sell it on that one too. So yeah, let's see how it's going. Now I have to fit all this stuff in this car right here. It should fit because yeah, it's kind of big car. So yeah, we'll see, but I already done it, so it will fit. Let's see. So take this, I'll toss those seats down, and I'll fit this stuff in. So watch this. Look how nicely they fit in. Huh? Look at this. 3 of this stuff. This car is very practical. So I'm not gonna sell it very soon. Maybe in case someone wanted. Look at this. 3 of this. It's not gonna fit in any car. Okay. Inside perspective. Look at here. Let's fold this car. So this is a very good car. I mean, they done the work. It's very fuel efficient. Yeah, pretty much. It's a Volkswagen Charon. So it's a very practical car, very fuel efficient, everything. Cheap on insurance, all the stuff, so no problem. I'll come one more time to take another 3 more of these, so I'll have 6 in stock, and if they sell, I'll come back to buy even more. But okay, this is second day of filming. Yesterday I didn't come back to Costco anymore because I'm in the process of changing my house, and yeah, I've been to see a couple of houses, so I didn't get any more time to come to Costco to buy even more stuff. So today I'm going to do that, and we'll see inside. What is it? Maybe I can find something new, I don't know. So look what I found here. These bags, these the wall bags. Yeah, I already scanned it, but I will show you anyway how much profit margin, and how can I sell this. Look at this. I'm going to check my Amazon app. So how you can see, I already scanned it. It's 57 pounds FBA. Yeah, fees and shipping to Amazon is 218. Actually I can get lower this, but whatever. 21.10 is the product cost, and the profit 19.88, which is okay. It's super good. Also I checked the price on keepa.com, and how you can see, this is the lowest. This is 45 because it's not FBA, but FBA you can sell it for 50, and actually it's the lowest price here in the past. You see, it's the lowest, so it's a good product to buy and to resell. And for those of you who doesn't know, Keepa, it's basically keeping track of the prices, and you take the ASIN. You see, I take the ASIN here, I add it, he will find automatically the product, and they will show you the historical price. Do you see? It was one point in time they will sell it for 60. Also the orange line mean Amazon selling this product as well. So if Amazon sell it, it's mean it's a good product, it's selling. Also I see other people saying, oh, if it's Amazon selling, don't compete with Amazon, but Amazon will run out of stock eventually and you'll sell. Yeah, they will prioritize their products over your, but you'll sell eventually. So yeah, this is it. I'll buy a bunch of this today, and I ship it to Amazon to see how it's going. So yeah, I think this is it for today. Pretty much this is the stuff which I'll get. Yeah, so I want to say thank you for watching, and please consider to subscribe if you didn't yet. I'm showing this type of video every time, how to make money with Amazon, and please leave a like. So thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.